believed that workers had to construct a radical socialist society to control all property socially. He also argued, he promoted the ideas that the workers had to construct a radical socialist society. Radical socialist society, by this, he had a mean that workers should organize themselves across the world. In every country, they should have their own unions, trade unions. They should have their own parties, political parties, in such a way when they will unite. So definitely their campaign will bring the positive change in society, and in this way they will be able to completely transform the capitalist society from a capitalist society to the socialist society. And then only all the resources or all the wealth would be enjoyed by the workers socially. In this way, a communist society would be established, and this is the natural society of the future. And according to him, when all the resources will be held by all the workers, so in this way there would not be any class distinction. There would be no industrialist, no worker. Only one class people would be there, common people would be there, and those common people would have control over the resources and equal sharing in profit. So in this way there would be the establishment of communist society. Communist society is little different from socialist society. In socialist society there is the interference of state or the government. On the other hand, in communist society there is no class distinction, and if there is no class distinction, so there is no need of state or government. All the people will be master of the property or the owner of the property. So in this way that would be in this way there would be the establishment of communism or the communist society. And according to him, this was the natural society of the future. Means in coming years there would be such type of societies where class distinction will completely destroyed, and only one common public will be the owner of the society. He explained his ideas in his books. The most popular book of Karl Marx is Das Kapital. Though Das Kapital, whatever the theories he explained in Das Kapital, all the volumes he was not able to complete. The later volumes of this Das Kapital were completed by his friend Frederick Engels. And Frederick Engels also had the same ideas as the Karl Marx had, because both were the friends, and they were sharing ideas, they were contributing for the betterment of the working people, and they were promoting the ideas of communist society. Frederick Engels also wrote the book that is the condition of working class in England. So number of books they wrote, but the most popular books of both the persons, the Das Kapital written by Karl Marx, it is one of the popular book, and the book written by Frederick Engels, The Condition of Working Class in England. These are the two popular books of these two socialist philosophers. Through this they made effort to uproot the capitalist society and to establish the socialist society. And when all the workers will get unite and will hold the resources or the property own, so definitely there would be the establishment of communist society. Throughout the 18th and 19th centuries, the ideas of socialism were discussed in every gathering places, in every industries. The socialist philosophers also promoted their ideas, circulated their ideas through various means of communication. Either these were the books or the posters or the rallies or journals or magazines. Many means of communication they adopted to spread their ideas. And finally there was the support, and due to this the common public, the working class also became aware, and they also demanded to establish to get their rights. And for that purpose they established some socialist parties. Like socialist formed an international body called the Second International. This was the first socialist party. This is known as the Second International. The In such a way there was a formation of Social Democratic Party that was established in Germany.